Presenting the USHA AeroEdge Plus 1200mm BLDC ceiling fan with air remote, LED indicator, the 5-star rated energy efficient, 100% copper motor, high air delivery 220 cm, 2-year warranty vertical bar. It comes with USHA AeroEdge, cooling with 350 revolutions per minute and 220 cm air delivery and bidirectional rotation. It has 370 RPM. It comes with convenient remote control with smart features, the easy-to-use remote for personalized comfort and sleek aesthetics, and LED indicators. Real-time speed visibility, LED light and night lamp. It can be used for home decor and style and functionality. Cool air and summer and warm air circulation.